How to set up a TikTok seller center. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your TikTok shop if you're just going to start selling on TikTok shop, and how we can run our affiliate marketing program. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to just go to your browser and hit TikTokshop.com on your search page, and it should go to the TikTok shop web page. You can either type in TikTokshop.com or shop.tiktok.com, doesn't matter. The next step is to click login. And if you have these options over here, just click Seller Center. Now, one thing that we need to note here is that as of currently, you cannot sell stuff outside of your region. You do have a global selling seller if you want to sell your products worldwide. However, for most cases, you probably want to sell in a specific region, right? And as of currently, there are 9 regions for you to choose from, and you can only choose the regions that where you're at, because one of the condition for you to have a TikTok shop is to actually upload your ID and your personal information, basically. So you need your country's ID or passport for registering your TikTok shop, and well, that's why you cannot sell in other regions, because obviously uh, they all require different personal IDs. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose my home region, and the next step is to put in your phone number. Pretty simple. I'm just gonna click sign up over here to walk you through the process. Now you do need to add your mobile number. In this case, I'm just gonna add my email instead. I'm using an email that is specifically made for this tutorial, so I'm just gonna type in my email real quick, and let's send the code. I'm gonna access my email really quickly to check my verification code. So sit tight. See you in a second. All right, I have received the email verification code for my um, verification. Next is to fill in our password, standard stuff. And when you're done and ready, click sign up. Now, alternatively, again, you can choose your personal TikTok account, like the usual TikTok account, to sign in to your TikTok shop business in the future, and this will automatically uh, connect your personal TikTok account to your TikTok shop. But you might not want to do it, because in my experience, it changed my name when I want to comment on a post in my from my personal TikTok account. So you might not want to do that unless you already have a TikTok account for your business, perhaps. Okay, so let's click sign up. Oops, did not match. Let's try again and click sign up. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Now, mind you, I will highly um recommend you to check your TikTok shop in your region, because every region has their different rules, and their TikTok shop may be uh different from the other region due to the local regulations. So just be sure to check how your TikTok shop operates uh, in your region. So okay, so let's next is to upload my documents over here. Now this is what I told you. This is what I told you about previously. You need to add your documents to verify and register your TikTok shop. Otherwise, you won't be able to add your TikTok shop. So I trust you to go through this process. After this process, your TikTok shop will be manually reviewed by a TikTok representative before you can start adding a product in your TikTok shop. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go to my already made TikTok shop account. So let's leave and let's log in using my previous logged in credentials. I'm gonna see you in a second. All right, now I'm in the TikTok Shop Seller Center dashboard. So this is the display that you should be greeted with when you're done submitting your personal documents. Okay, so the first thing to note here again, you if you're very new to TikTok Shop, you won't be able to add your product because your account is under review. Now, if the registration process is successful, you can see register your business is checklisted. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to add our first product. And to do that, go to homepage. And if you're new, you should have this display over here. However, if it doesn't, you will, of course, always have the products menu on the left hand corner over here. In this case, this is about the same. I'm gonna show you if it doesn't show in your homepage. So go to products, click manage products, and in this manage products web page, you can click add new product on the top right corner, and it should take you to a form for you to fill in for your new product. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so very important here in TikTok, you should have a detailed category in your TikTok for your products, because that is how TikTok deals with their algorithm, maybe to market your product for you. So I'm going to I'm just gonna make it like a denim trouser, men, luxury, cheap. Well, luxury and cheap usually doesn't come hand in hand, but anyway. Now for the category, just click the menu, and TikTok will automatically predict what category your product falls into based on your product name. Now, in my experience, this is already very good. TikTok has already done a very good job in automating your category, so I'm just gonna leave it to TikTok to decide. So next is the brand. Now, the brand, you don't have to have a brand. However, if you are drop shipping and selling a product that has a prominent brand, you should, of course, add your product brand over here. Now, as you can see, TikTok has a long list of brands uh, in relation to your category. In this case, I will have no brand, so I'm just gonna go to the dead bottom and click no brand for now. Now, next thing is the product attributes and etc. You can put this later on. Next is the media and product image. You can add your image over here. You can add a lot, uh, up to 9 files, right? And you have the guides over here. You can have a size chart, and you can add a video for your TikTok shop. Now, this video is for when the buyer accesses your TikTok shop. So yeah, don't worry about it. It's not a campaign video. If you want to look at how you want to market your TikTok shop after this, there's a video about that I already made. Now, of course, add the product description. Now, the cool thing about TikTok is you can use AI to do this. So let's just say good quality, cheap, local made jeans, traditional manufacturing. There you go. So just add the prompt and your AI in the AI bar over here, and it will automatically add a product description for you. So let's click keep over here and edit as you like. Next is the sales information, shipping. I think I will trust you enough to finish the process over here, because there are other things that we need to cover. So after you're done adding your first product, click submit for review. Now, why submit for review? Because every product that you want to sell on TikTok Shop will again be manually reviewed by the representative to make sure that it aligns with their policy. Now, now that you have submitted your first product, we kind of jumped into the third step here because there's actually a second step. Now, the second step is your warehouse information, and this is very important. This ensures that you can actually do transactions with your customer because this is where TikTok know this is how TikTok can know where you store your products. So to set your warehouse address, just go and click my account and click account settings. And in the account settings over here, you can access the warehouse settings over here and you can set them accordingly. Now I have an example address that I've put in. However, the important part is the return items warehouse and the sending items warehouse. So you need to set them both correctly. In most cases, maybe if you're just starting, you will have the same location for both. Like me, just go ahead and type your location in and you should be good to go. Okay, so last but not least, I want to show you a bit about the affiliate marketing program in TikTok because this is absolutely wonderful if you want to have an organic uh, way of marketing. Affiliate Center is the best tool in TikTok Shop, hands down, because it allows you to connect with creators in TikTok with reputable results, and you can ask them to review your product and promote your product. You might often see this happening in TikTok, believe it or not. You can see like random TikTok account promoting perfumes and other things, usually according to their niche. Now, the way to do that is just click one of the affiliator over here. Now, you as the affiliate marketing customer, you're paying them to do affiliate marketing for you, right? And TikTok has prepared a platform as a way of communicating and coordination between you and your affiliator. So just click whichever creator that you want. I'm just gonna click a random one over here, and as you can see, the process is like this. You choose products. We haven't have products now. No worries. And you set up free samples. Now, if you want to send your creator a free sample for them to review your product, you can do that. And you can create invitation. And this is the last step. So you need to create invitation. So this is a lot like an online job platform. You send the invitation to the creator. The creator can either deny or accept your invitation, and only then you can communicate and coordinate with your uh, affiliator. So that is how you can set up your TikTok seller account, add your first product, and more importantly, market your product organically with the affiliate marketing program that TikTok has offered. Thank you.